This video shows you how to install the PCSnext application on your computer and set up the CAN interface once. These steps are only necessary before establishing the first connection. Start the application setup.exe and select a language for the installation. Accept the agreement and select the destination folder. Select whether you want to create a desktop icon and a quick launch icon. Start the installation. PCSnext will now be installed on your computer. PCSnext is now installed and ready to run. Open the configuration menu and then select Interface Configuration. Before a CAN connection can be established via PCAN, the driver for the PCAN USB interface must be installed. For that, click on PCAN OEM Setup first. Follow the instructions provided by the installation program. Then click on PCAN API Setup and once again follow the instructions. Alternatively, the connection via RS-232 serial interface can also be selected.